I'm gonna now dive into a little bit of the meat and potatoes. I'm gonna change the question slightly. So, like, what are the common like mis? The question was misconceptions, right? But what are the common questions that you get when you can tell when people they approach you that you get a sense that they have misconceptions? What kind of questions are there?
Well, I think the term estate planning in and of itself is sort of a misnomer, and I think a lot of misconceptions arise around that. I think people, I know I thought this previously, that estate planning sounds like something that's just for old, wealthy people that are just there to kind of avoid taxes and things like that. So I actually like to call it life and legacy planning because I think that that really highlights so much more of what it's about. So, it's not, yes, there are estate tax avoidance strategies that people can use, but for most people, the estate tax exemption right now is so high and it'll come down, but most people don't have an estate tax issue. What they really want to do is preserve their legacy, both financial and personal, which we can talk about in a minute, and protect their loved ones. It's about not leaving your loved ones in a time of grief with hassle, with a nightmare, and especially if you have minor children. And I really do focus my practice on parents of minor children. You want to make sure that they're okay, that they're taken care of by the people you know, love, and trust always, both short term and long term. So I think it's really a misconception, I guess, or a conception that, people who are younger, who aren't planning for death, but are planning for life. It's something that they really should be thinking about.